Good evening, everyone. It is with great honor I stand before you to announce our kindergartners who are now being promoted to first grade.
By the powers invested in me by the state of Texas and the board and the Wonderland Inc. Board of Directors, I accept your recommendation and do promote these energetic, brilliant, smart, intelligent kindergartens to the first grade. Woo!
Mr. Mays, these students have successfully completed the requirements for first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade.
By the powers invested in me by the state of Texas and the Wonderland Inc. Board of Directors, I accept your recommendation. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, students, everyone in the building, please give the founder, our visionary trailblazer, the lady who has the second and the lasting oldest African-American school in the state of Texas. Mrs. Mayes, we thank you for your heart and your love for our children and our people.